Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring with an Xbox controller. First, let's get your controller connected. You can use a USB cable for a direct, reliable link or connect wirelessly via Bluetooth. If you choose wireless, make sure your controller has fresh batteries. Once connected, a quick check in your PC's settings or Steam's big picture mode will confirm it's recognized and ready to go. This ensures a smooth start to your journey. Next, we'll fine-tune your Steam settings for optimal performance. Open Steam, head to the Settings menu, and then click on Controller. Here, it's crucial to enable Xbox configuration support. This ensures Steam correctly interprets your controller's inputs for Elden Ring. You might also want to calibrate your controller, adjusting things like stick dead zones to achieve the perfect feel for your gameplay. Now, let's jump into Elden Ring itself and adjust the in-game controls. Once you've launched the game, navigate to the System menu and then select Controller Settings. Take a moment to review the default button layout. You can customize any actions to better suit your playstyle. Don't forget to fine-tune camera sensitivity and vibration feedback for a truly personalized and immersive experience in the lands between. Finally, let's cover some common troubleshooting tips. If your inputs aren't registering correctly, a simple restart of both your PC and controller often resolves the issue. Always ensure your controller drivers and the Steam client are updated to their latest versions for best compatibility. Also, be sure to disable any conflicting third-party controller software or overlays that might interfere with Elden Ring's recognition of your Xbox controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.